Did you know you can create a million-view video and earn up to $50 per day on YouTube in just 5 minutes? No professional editing skills needed, no wasted time. All thanks to AI VideoGen, a powerful AI tool that turns your ideas into engaging videos in seconds. Skills. Access the AI VideoGen platform. First, go to https://videogen.io/via=Bennett. This is the platform that helps you create videos fast and efficiently in just minutes. Sign up or log in. Click the sign up button at the top right or sign in with Google to save time. Once you're on the main interface, type in the keyword for the topic you want to share. Example: 10 golden skills to help you succeed faster. AI will instantly suggest video ideas based on your keyword. Pick the one that best fits your topic. You can also choose video length, 300 words, 600 words, or customize. Choose language, supports English, Vietnamese, Spanish, and more. Choose voiceover, male or female, depending on your audience, to make your video more lively and engaging.
Success often hinges on mastering key skills that set you apart. The first is effective communication, clearly expressing ideas and listening well. Next, adaptability allows you to thrive amid change. Critical thinking helps you solve problems efficiently, while time management ensures productivity. Networking opens valuable opportunities, and emotional intelligence strengthens relationships. Creativity fuels innovation.
No need to hire a professional video team. Easy monetization. Optimized, engaging videos help you start earning faster from YouTube. With just a few simple steps, you can create million-view videos and start your journey to making money online. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tips on making money with AI. Wishing you success, and see you in the next video. Don't miss this opportunity. Like, comment, and subscribe now to get more tips on making money with AI and creating million-view videos every day. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip.